श्रीमते श्री रंगरामानुज महादेशिकाय नमः. In this video, we will be going through the 33 slokas of Bhaja Govindam. Please note, we conduct online sloka classes. The details are given in the description. Now, the first sloka. Bhaja Govindam, Bhaja Govindam, Govindam Bhaja Mudamate, Samprapte, Sannihite Kale, Nahi Nahi, Rakshati, Dukrin, Karane. Now, the meaning. Worship Govinda, worship Govinda, worship Govinda. O fool, mere knowledge will not save you at the time of your death. Now the second sloka. Muda Jahihi Dhanaga Madrushnam Guru Shat Buddhim Manasi Vidrushnam Yallaba Shenija Karmo Bhatam Viddham Dhena Vinodaya Siddham. Now the meaning. O fool, give up your thirst to amass wealth. Devote your mind to thoughts to the real. Be content with what comes through actions already performed in the past. Now the third sloka. Nari Sthanabara Nabi Desham Drishtva Ma Ka Moha Vesham Edan Mamsa Vasadi Vigaram Manasi Vichintaya Varam Varam. Now the meaning. Do not get drowned in delusion by going wild with passions and by seeing a woman's navel and chest. Bodies are flesh, fat and blood. Do not fail to remember this again and again in your mind. The fourth sloka. Nalini Dalagada Jalamati Daralam Tattva Jivita Madishaya Shabalam Vidhi Vyadhya Bimana Grastam Logam Shogahatam Cha Samastam. Now the meaning. Uncertain is the life of man as raindrops on a lotus leaf. Know that the whole world remains a prey to disease, ego and grief. Now the fifth sloka. Yavat Viddho Bharjana Sadgaha Dhavan Nija Parivaro Raktaha Pacha Jivita Pacha Jivati Jarjara Dehe Vardam Go Upi Na Prichadi Gehe. Now the meaning. So long as a man is fit and able to support his family, see the affection all those around him show, but no one at home cares to even have a word with him when his body totters due to old age. Now the sixth sloka. Yavat Bhavano Nivasati Dehe Davat Prichadi Kuchalam Gehe Gatavati Vayau Deha Baye Bharya Pibhyati Tasmin Gaye. Now the meaning. When one is alive, his family members inquire kindly about his welfare. But when the soul departs from the body, even his wife runs away in fear of the corpse. Now the seventh sloka. Bala Stavad Krida Saktaha Taruna Sthavat Taruni Saktaha वृद्ध स्थावत् चिंता मग्नः परमे ब्रह्मणि गो उपि न लग्नः. Now the meaning. Childhood is lost in play. Youth is lost by attachment to women. Old age passes away by thinking over many past things. Alas, hardly is there anyone who earns to be lost in Parabrahmam. Now the 8th sloka. Ga te kanta kaste putraha samsaro uyamadiva vichitraha kasya tvam va guta ayataha tatvam chintaya datiha brataha. Now the meaning. Who is your wife? Who is your son? Strange is this samsara. Of whom are you? Where have you come from? Brother, ponder over these truths. Now the 9th sloka. Sat sangatve nishangatvam nishangatve nirmohatvam nirmohatve nischala tatvam nischala tatve jivan muktihi. Now the meaning. From sat sanga comes non-attachment. From non-attachment comes freedom from delusion, which leads to self-settledness. From self-settledness comes jivan mukti. Now the 10th sloka. Vayasi gade gaha kama vigaraha sukshge neere gah khasaraha kshine vidhe gha parivaraha nyate tatve gha samsaraha. Now the meaning. What good is when youth has fled? What use is a lake which has no water? Where are the relatives when wealth is gone? Where is samsara when the truth is known? Now the 11th sloka. Ma guru dhanajana yauvana garvam harati nimeshat kalah sarvam maya mayamitam akilam hitva brahmapadam tvam pravicha viditva. Now the meaning. Do not boast of wealth, friends and youth. Each one of these are destroyed within a minute. Free yourself from the illusion of the world of Maya and attain the timeless truth. Now the 12th sloka. Dina yamin yau shayam pradaha sisira vasantau yuna buna rayataha kalah kridati kachat yayuhu dadapi na munjat yasha vayuhu. Now the meaning. Daylight and darkness, dusk and dawn, winter and springtime come and go. Time, place and life ebbs away, but the storm of desire never leaves. Now the 13th sloka. Dwadasa mam jari gapira seshaha gatito vayya garanasyai kshaha ubadesho भूत विद्या निपुणैहि श्रीमच्छं कर भगवत चरणैहि. Now the meaning. This bouquet of 12 verses was imparted to a grammarian by the all-knowing Shankara, adored as the Bhagavad Pada. Now the 14th sloga. Ka te ganta dana gada chinta vadula kim tava nasti niyanta trijagadi sajjana sangati reka bhavati bhavarnava dharane nauga. Now the meaning. O madman, why this engrossment in thoughts of wealth? Is there no one to guide you? There is only one thing in 3 worlds that can save you from the ocean of samsara. Get into that boat of satsanga quickly. Now the 15th sloga. Jatilo mundi lunjita keshaha kasha yanbara bahukrida veshaha pashyannabi cha na pashyati moodaha udara nimittam bahukrida veshaha. Now the meaning. There are many who go with matted locks, many who have clean shaven heads, many whose hairs have been plucked out, some are clothed in saffron, yet others in various colors, all just for a livelihood. Seeing truth revealed before them, still the foolish ones see it not. Now the 16th sloga. Angam galitam balitam mundam dasana vihinam jadam tundam vriddho yadi grihitva dandam dadabina munjat yasha bindam. Now the meaning. Strength has left the old man's body, his head has become bald, his gums toothless and leaning on crutches. Even then the attachment is strong and he clings firmly to fruitless hope. Now the 17th sloga. Agre vahni brishte banuhu ratrau subuga samarpita januhu garadala bhikshas darudala vasaha dadapina munjat yasha basaha. Now the meaning. Behold, there lies the man who sits warming up his body with the fire in front and the sun at the back. At night he curls up the body to keep out of the cold. He eats his beggar's food from the bowl of his hand and sleeps beneath the tree. Still in his heart he is a wretched puppet at the hands of passions. Now the 18th sloga. Guru te Ganga Sagara Gamanam Vrada Paribalanam Adava Danam Jnana Vihina Sarvamadena Bhajati Na Muktim Janma Sadena. Now the meaning. One may go to the Ganga, observe fasts and give away riches in charity. Yet devoid of jnana, nothing can give mukti even at the end of 100 births. Now the 19th sloga. Sura Mandira Daru Mula Nivasaha Shayya Budalam Ajinam Vasaha Sarva Parigraha Bogat Yagaha Kasya Sugam Na Karoti Viragaha. Now the meaning. Take your residence in a temple or below a tree, wear the deer skin for the dress, and sleep with Mother Earth as your bed. Give up all attachments and renounce all comforts. Blessed with such vairagya, could any fail to be content? Now the 20th sloga. Yoga rato va boga rato va sanga rato va sanga vihinaha yasya brahmani ramate siddham nan tati nan tat yeva. Now the meaning. One may take delight in yoga or boga, may have attachment or detachment, but only he whose mind steadily delights in Brahman enjoys bliss, no one else. Now the 21st sloka. Bhagavad Gita Kinchita Dita Ganga Jalalava Kanika Bhita Sakridhapi Yena Murari Samarcha Kriyate Tasya Yamena Na Charcha. Now the meaning. Let a man read but a little from the Gita, drink just a drop of water from the Ganga, worship Murari just once. He then will have no altercation with Yama. Now the 22nd sloga. Punarapi Jananam Punarapi Maranam Punarapi Janani Jatare Shayanam Iha Samsare Bahu Dusthare Kripaya Upare Pahi Murare. Now the meaning. Born again, death again, birth again to stay in the mother's womb. It is indeed hard to cross this boundless ocean of samsara. O Murari, redeem me through thy mercy. Now the 23rd sloga. Ratya Charbada Virachita Kantaha Punya Punya Vivarjita Pantaha Yogi Yoga Niyojita Siddhaha Ramate Balon Mattava Deva. Now the meaning. There is no shortage of clothing for a monk so long as there are rags cast off the road. Freed from vice and virtue, onward he wanders. One who lives in communion with God enjoys bliss pure and uncontaminated like a child and as someone intoxicated. Now the 24th sloka. Kastvam ko uham kuta ayataha ka me janani ko me tataha iti paribhavaya nija samsaram sarvam tyaktva swapna vicharam. Now the meaning. Who are you? Who am I? From where do I come? Who is my mother? Who is my father? Ponder thus, look at everything as essenceless and give up the world as an idle dream. Now the 25th sloka. Tvayi mayi sarvat raigo Vishnuhu vyartam kubhyasi mayya sahishnuhu bhava samasiddha sarvatra tvam vanchasya chirat yati vishnut tvam. Now the meaning: in me, in you and in everything none but the same Vishnu dwells. Your anger and impatience is meaningless. If you wish to attain the quality of Vishnu soon, have Samabhava always. Now the 26th sloka. Shadrau mitre putre bhamtau ma guru yadnam vigraha shantau sarvas minnapi paschat manam sarvat rod sruja beda jnanam. Now the meaning: do not waste your efforts to win the love of or to fight against friend and foe, children and relatives. See yourself in everyone and give up all feelings of duality completely. Now the 27th sloka. Kamam krodham lobham moham tyaktva udmanam pashyati so uham atmajnana vihina mudaha te pashyante naraga nigudaha. Now the meaning: give up anger, infatuation and greed. Ponder over your real nature. Fools are they who are blind to the self. Cast into hell, they suffer there endlessly. Now the 28th sloka. Keyam Gita Nama Sahasram Deyam Sripati Rupam Ajastram Neyam Sajjana Sanghe Siddham Deyam Dinajanaya Cha Vidham. Now the meaning: regularly recite from the Gita, meditate on Vishnu in your heart and chant his 1,000 glories. Take delight to be with the noble and the holy. Distribute your wealth in charity to the poor and the needy. Now the 29th sloka. Sugada kriyate Rama bogaha paschat danta sharire rogaha yad yabi loge maranam charanam tadapi na munjati paba charanam. Now the meaning: he who yields to pleasure leaves his body a prey to disease. Though death brings an end to everything, man does not give up the sinful path. Now the 30th sloka. Arthamanartham bhavaya nityam nasti tadah suga lecha satyam putradapi dhanabhajam bidhihi sarvadraisha vihita ridihi. Now the meaning: wealth is not welfare. Truly there is no joy in it. Reflect thus at all times. A rich man fears even his own son. This is the way of wealth everywhere. Now the 31st sloka. Pranayamam pradyaharam siddhya nithya nithya vivega vicharam jabya sameda samadhi vidanam kurva vadanam mahat avadanam. Now the meaning. Regulate the pranas, remain unaffected by external influences and discriminate between the real and the fleeting. Chant the holy name of God and silence the turbulent mind. Perform these with care, with extreme care. Now the 32nd sloka. Guru Charanambuja Nirbara Bhaktaha Samsarat Achirat Bhava Muktaha Shantiya Manasa Niyama Devam Trashyasi Nija Hridayastam Devam. Now the meaning. O devotee of the lotus feet of the Guru, may thou be soon free from samsara. Through disciplined senses and controlled mind, thou shalt come to experience the indwelling Lord of your heart. Now the 33rd and the final sloka. Muda kachina vaya karano dukran karanatyayana durinaha srimacham kara bhagavachishyaiha bodhita ashistotita karanaihi. That brings us to the end of the 33 slokas of Sri Bhajagovindam. Please subscribe and hit on the bell button for notifications. Let's see you in the next video. Radhe Krishna.